Did you ever want to take brownie points and turn them into real brownies? Oh my gosh, yes! If your bananas are not looking concerningly brown, then put them in a microwave for 20 seconds and they get brown and soft and sweet, because that's what you need. And also the coffee that I added to the almond milk, I added only 2 teaspoons initially, but then I added more. So overall it was 6 teaspoons. There we go. Also, I apologize for this almond butter. Like, it's really lumpy. We were going through a rough time. So yes, so bananas are sweet, but they're just not sweet enough. So I added stevia to give that a little extra kick. But you can add whichever sweetener you like and as much as you want according to your sweetie tootie. And walnuts, and then topped it with walnuts and cacao nibs, and wow, put it into the oven. Oh my gosh, guys, look at that. Yum. Hi guys, so who knew that a brownie could be so good and so good for you at the same time? Because these are them. I wasn't sure how they were going to turn out. I wasn't sure if they were going to rise or not, because that's happened to me on multiple occasions. But they were perfect. They're ooey and they're gooey and they're fudgy and they're moist. And I've never saying that word again. I hate saying that word, but I said it for the camera. And I actually made them for Mother's Day. But I had to steal a piece. 2 pieces yesterday because they're so good. And the glaze on top, not glaze, like the icing on top, even though it's not completely necessary, it's highly recommended. 10 on 10. So yeah, I mean, if you do make the brownies, do let me know how they turned out and how you like them, and I will see you in the next video. Like, comment, subscribe and all that schnaz. And no, I was supposed to say I'll see you in the next video now. Okay, yeah. Like, comment, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next video. Thank you. Did I say thank you? That's odd.